How to add an order tracking page on Shopify. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make order tracking easy on Shopify. Open up its site and click on the Login button. From here, click to open your store. Then tap on Themes from the dashboard of Shopify. After that, click on Pages on the online store. Then add the page title as order tracking. You can write a content and you can make any changes on its style, size, alignment, table, and many more. Then click on Save from the top right corner. After that, tap on Pages to see the page you just added. Then go into Navigation from the dashboard. You can see the menu in here, so click to open the main menu. See the title of the main menu, then you can see the menu items in here as well. Click on Add Menu Item from the menu item. Enter the name of an item you want to add and paste the link of the product as well. Tap on the link. Click on Pages, then click on Order Tracking. After that, tap on the Add button from the bottom right corner. You can see the item in the menu you just added. Click on Edit of your new item. You can change the name of your item from here. Name it as Order Tracking, then click on Apply Changes. Now tap the Save menu button to save the changes. This is how you can add an order tracking page on Shopify. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.